Good morning, students. Welcome to our English literature class. Today we are going to start with our chapter number 6 of an English novel Around the World in 80 Days. And the name of the chapter is Fix Tricks. As the name of the lesson is Fix Tricks, it clearly indicates that Fix is now thinking of new schemes to catch Mr. Fogg, as he is quite sure that Fogg is a bank robber. So let us read the chapter. The meaning and the explanation will be given to you side by side. So here I am going to begin. As the policemen were pushing the two prisoners out of the courtroom, Fogg suddenly turned to the judge. "Just a moment, Your Honor. We wish to offer jail." So, what is being told over here? It has been told that the policemen, they were pushing two prisoners. Who were those two prisoners? Yes, Mr. Fogg and Passepartout out of the courtroom. Suddenly, Fogg, he turned towards the judge and he asked for a bail. Now, I am going to read it. "You have that right. Bail will be £1,000 for each of you." So here, judge, he spoke to him that it's their right to apply for a bail and they can go for a bail, but the price of the bail is £1,000 per person. So in simple words, it means he has to pay £2,000 overall. "I shall pay it at once." "Very well, you are free to go." "Thank you, Your Honor," said Fogg. So here, what is being said? Fogg, he agreed to pay, and as a result, he paid £2,000 as amount of a bail in the court, and both of them, they got free. Next paragraph. Passepartout sighed with relief and bravely asked for his shoes to be returned. After all, £1,000 apiece. These are very expensive shoes, he thought to himself. So now, what is being said over here? Passepartout, he thanked God and very bravely he asked for his shoes to be given back. Children, do you remember he was asking for which shoes? Yes, he was asking for the same shoes which were being brought before by the priest, and for him they were very expensive shoes. As for those shoes only, Mr. Fogg and Passepartout, they remained in a jail, and Mr. Fogg had to pay £2,000 as a bail to get freedom from jail. So now come to our next paragraph. Tears of joy fell down Auda's face, and she happily joined Fogg as they left the courtroom. Fix, however, was very angry. Fogg was free again. So now here, in this paragraph, the state of two persons is being discussed. Auda, on seeing her friends back, was very happy, whereas Fix was sad as Mr. Fogg was free again. Come to the next paragraph. At noon, Fogg, Passepartout and Auda were on the Rangoon, sailing to Hong Kong. So now what is being said over in these two lines? It has been said at noon, Fogg, Passepartout and Auda, they were on the Rangoon, which was sailing to Hong Kong. Now come to the next line. During the first few days of their journey, Auda got to know her protector better. Underline the word protector, it means defender. He almost never spoke, but he always listened carefully to what she had to say and made sure that she was comfortable. Underline the word comfortable, it means safe. S-A-F-E. Passepartout noticed the look of thanks in Auda's deep blue eyes and the warm expression. Underline the word expression. it means look, Look. That crossed her face when she looked at Fogg. He wondered. Underline the word wondered, it means surprise. How his master could show no emotion. Underline the word emotion, it means feeling before such beauty. When Auda smiled, the sun seemed to rise in her face, and her porcelain skin shone like the finest pearls. Mr. Fogg was indeed a strange man. Porcelain it means a white vitrified translucent ceramic. So now here, what is being explained in this paragraph? It has been said over here, during the first few days of their journey, Auda learnt much more about Mr. Fogg. And moreover, Passepartout he had noticed that Auda had started liking Mr. Fogg, but he was quite upset that his master, Mr. Fogg, was not showing any kind of feelings for Auda. Moreover, in this paragraph, the beauty of Auda is being discussed. It has been said, when she smiles, it seems sun has risen and her skin glows just like fine pearls. Now come to the next page number 38. Unfortunately. Underline the word unfortunately. The meaning of this word is sadly. Now I'm going to read it. Unfortunately, Detective Fix was also on the boat. Now he wanted to catch Fogg more than ever. Before leaving, he made sure the police had orders to send the warrant for Fogg's arrest to Hong Kong. If it was not there when he arrived, he would have to find ways to delay them. He hid in his cabin and spent every moment planning how he would do it. So what is being explained over in this paragraph? It has been said Detective Fix was also on the same ship and he was more determined to catch Mr. Fogg. Before boarding the ship, he had made proper arrangement that the warrants to catch Mr. Fogg should reach Hong Kong so that he could arrest him over there. And what else is being said over here? It has been said if he did not get the warrant there in Hong Kong, then he has to find other ways to delay Mr. Fogg. He remained in his cabin. Thinking of the plans how to catch Mr. Fogg. Come to the next paragraph. 5 days later, as the ship was on its way to make a stop in Singapore. So what is being said over here? 5 days later, the ship had a stop in Singapore. So now what's in simple words, it means that a ship took a rest in Singapore. Now here, Fix decided to leave his cabin and try to get more information out of Passepartout. The loyal valet was surprised and happy to see Fix again. So, up to here what is being explained. Listen, now Fix, he came out of his cabin and he was trying to get more close to Passepartout to know much more about Mr. Fogg. Passepartout, on the other hand, he was quite surprised on seeing Fix there. And moreover, Fix, he learnt about Auda from Passepartout. So, what else is being said over here? Just listen. When detective asked about his trip, Passepartout openly described their adventures with Auda. Fix was very disappointed that he could not find anything else to use against Fogg. So, in simple words, it means that Fix was very upset as he was not able to find anything else from Passepartout to be used against Fogg. Now come to next paragraph. Passepartout saw Fix several times after that, and at last one day he began to wonder about him. So here, what is being said, as Passepartout had seen Fix number of times over there, and this literally made Passepartout to be suspicious about him. So now, what else is being said over? So that is Passepartout has now started doubting Mr. Fix, that why again and again he is there wherever he goes. So now, what is being said over here? How strange that this fellow keeps appearing everywhere we go. He thought and thought about it, and finally everything became clear. And as he was thinking again and again, ultimately he reached to one point. What he had concluded, we will learn it in the next paragraph. That's it. He's a spy. Underline the word spy, it means secret agent. Mr. Fogg's friends have sent him. They want proof that my master is really traveling around the world. Underline the word proof, it means evidence. So now here, what is being concluded by Passepartout? He concluded that Mr. Fix is a spy and he has been hired by Mr. Fogg's friends to keep an eye upon him, whether he could travel around the world in 80 days or not. Passepartout, what else is being said over here? Just listen. Thinking he had the answer, Passepartout decided that it was not good idea to let his master think that his friends did not trust him. So he thought that he should not tell to his master about Detective Fix, because Fogg will be annoyed that his friends did not trust him. Now come to the next paragraph. The weather was turning bad as the Rangoon arrived in Hong Kong on 6th November early in the morning. Fogg learned that the Carnatic, the ship for their next destination, Yokohama, Japan, would not sail until the next day. However, he showed no disappointment. He had 16 hours to help Auda and find her uncle. So, what is here in this paragraph? It has been said the Rangoon arrived in Hong Kong on 6th November. Now they have to sail on a new boat named the Carnatic, as that boat is going to sail to Yokohama, Japan. But the ship was not going to sail until the next day. So Mr. Fogg had 16 hours to help Auda in finding her uncle. So now come to the next paragraph. They booked into a hotel and Fogg asked his valet to stay with Auda while he searched for her relative, Mr. Jija. Mr. Jija is the name of Auda's uncle. So what is being said over here? They booked an hotel and Fogg, he told Passepartout to be there with Auda so that he could go and search Auda's uncle named Mr. Jija. Now here what is being said? Auda gave him an address and Fogg went there only to find out that her uncle was no longer living in Hong Kong. Our neighbor told Fogg that Mr. Jija was living in Holland now. And there Mr. Fogg, he came to know from the neighbor of Auda's uncle that Mr. Jija was now living in Holland. So now come to next paragraph. When Fogg told Auda, she asked, "What do you think I should do, Mr. Fogg?" "It's very simple. Come with us to London and then we will find your uncle." So here Fogg suggested Auda to come along with them to London, and there they will find her uncle. "Oh, I don't want to be any trouble to you." "Nonsense, you're no trouble." So here Auda, she said she doesn't want to be any more trouble to Mr. Fogg, but Fogg said no, uh, she is not a trouble to them. So, what is being said over here? Just listen. Pass it out. Yes, sir. Go to the Carnatic and book 3 cabins. So, here Mr. Fogg he ordered Passepartout to go to the Carnatic to book 3 cabins. That is 3 cabins means that is one cabin for Auda, another one for Fogg, and third one was for Passepartout. So come to the next paragraph. Passepartout took the money he needed and left the bag with his master. When he bought the tickets, he was told that the ship would be ready to sail at 8 o'clock that night instead of the next day. On his way back to tell Fogg, he saw Fix behind him. So in this paragraph, it is explained that on buying tickets, Passepartout came to know that ship would be ready to sail at 8 o'clock that night instead of the next day. And moreover, Passepartout met Fix again there. Now, what is being said in the next paragraph? I am going to read it. Go away and stop spying on us. Spying means following. On us, shouted Passepartout. No, my friend, you have got it all wrong. Let's go somewhere to talk. In a little cafe, Fix told Passepartout the truth. So, what is being said over here? In the above dialogues, it is clearly stated that Passepartout told Fix to stay away from him. On the other hand, Fix wanted to take Passepartout in his confidence and took him to cafe. Cafe means cafeteria, where he disclosed his identity to him. Now what else is there? I am going to read it. I am a detective. I am following Fogg because I believe he may be the man who robbed the Bank of England. Fix told him the details of the robbery and showed him the police description of the robber. It made Passepartout feel guilty when he wondered how Fogg get so much of money. Guilty means culpable. So what is being said over here? It is said that Mr. Fix told Passepartout that according to him, Mr. Fogg had robbed the Bank of England and he wanted to arrest him. Now come to the next paragraph. If you help me delay him until the arrest warrant arrives, I shall share the reward money with you. So, it is said Fix tried to convince Passepartout to join him to delay Fogg's departure so that Fogg could be arrested and they both would share the rewards. Now come to the next page, page number 41. And what was the answer of Passepartout? Just listen. Never. Mr. Fogg is a good man, and even if he did rob a bank, I wouldn't help you. So in simple words, what is being said over here? Passepartout refused his offer and told him bluntly that his master could never be involved in robbery, even though if Fogg did rob a bank, he wouldn't help Detective Fix. Now come to the next paragraph. Fix realized he was not going to get any help from Fogg's loyal valet, but he had another trick up his sleeve. While Passepartout was in the gentleman's room, Fix slipped some sleeping powder into his tea. When he returned and finished his cup, Passepartout could not keep his eyes open. His head fell onto the table and he was fast asleep. So what is being said over here? So here it has been told Fix realized that he won't get any kind of help from Passepartout. So what had Fix done to Passepartout? He mixed sleeping powder into his cup of tea. So after having a cup of tea, Passepartout was fast asleep. Now come to the last paragraph. The detective left feeling very pleased with himself. Now Fogg would not get the tickets or know when the ship would sail. He left the cafe hoping that Fogg's trip would be delayed long enough for him to get the arrest warrant. So in this paragraph it is said Fix felt very pleased with himself, hoping that Fogg's trip would be delayed long enough, and in the meantime he would get arrest warrant for Mr. Fogg. Dear children, I have written the word meanings over here on the blackboard, so please do copy it and do write it in your notebook, and the homework is read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you. Students, here are the word meanings of the chapter number 6. Trick means scheme, prisoners, convict, suddenly, unexpectedly, judge, magistrate, bail, security, pounds, standard unit of money used in the UK, or you can write currency also, relief, relaxation. Expensive means costly, protector means defender, comfortable, safe, emotion, feeling, porcelain, a white vitrified translucent ceramic, unfortunately, sadly, spy, secret agent, proof, evidence. Cafe means cafeteria. Spying means keep an eye on, delay, retard, guilty, culpable, culpable, reward, prize, expression, look, wondered, surprise.